In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Smartsheet. We'll walk through the entire process from the moment you open Smartsheet all the way to saving your finished form, so you can start collecting responses right away. Even if you're new to Smartsheet, don't worry. I'll keep things clear and simple. First, open Smartsheet and look at the left-hand sidebar. On that sidebar, you'll see a plus icon. This is where you start when you want to create something new. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This opens up the creation menu, which gives you options for different types of items, like sheets, reports, dashboards, and of course, forms. Once that menu is open, look for the option labeled Form. Click on Form to create a new form. Smartsheet will automatically connect this form to a sheet, where all your responses will be stored in rows and columns. If you already have a sheet, your form will be based on the columns in that sheet. If it's a brand new form, Smartsheet may create a new sheet for you behind the scenes. After clicking on Form, you'll be taken to the Form Builder page. This is where you customize everything. You should see a preview of your form on the screen, along with options to change fields and settings. Here, you can adjust the title and description of your form so people know what it's for. You can reorder fields, rename them, or choose which ones are required. You can also remove any fields you don't need, so the form stays simple and focused. Take a moment to think about what information you really need from your respondents. For example, you might want to collect names, contact details, or specific project information. Make sure your fields line up with the columns in your underlying sheet, so the data stays organized and easy to work with later. You can also tweak the design, such as the layout or help text, to make the form clearer and more user-friendly. When you're happy with how everything looks and works, it's time to save your form. Look for the Save button, usually in the upper area of the form builder, and click on Save. This locks in all your changes and makes the form ready to share. Once saved, your form is ready for use. You can now share the form link with others